Hey, are you a bodybuilder who wants to create a fitness business and you're looking for ways to actually promote that business and get it out on the internet? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start building your fitness business and how you can create products and how you can actually design something to be able to sell to people who are interested in learning about fitness. And you can have your coaching business totally hands free, and you can actually do consultations with people as well and have them book calls with you, and you can also charge them for them calls as well. So how this is going to actually work is you would need a sales funnel system set up to where you can actually create your content and you can have your products right here, and it would be something like this. So this would be a video of you or whatever explaining what you have to offer. But first they would opt in, so they would go to a capture page where they capture your name and email. The name and email goes to a page like this, and then they get on your email list. So you're going to be building an email list through this whole process, and that's how you're going to actually make money. And then people who are interested in whatever you have to offer, they're going to be able to learn more or buy whatever you have right here. And you could also create a membership platform to where they have to subscribe monthly to be a part of your content or whatever you're giving away, right? So they can subscribe and you make money through their subscription. You also make money when they get on your email list and buy something and they get an email from you because you're doing email marketing. So as somebody who's a bodybuilder, or you might be an IFBB competitor, right? So if you do that and you want to tell people about your competitions, or you want to let people know what's going on in your life, they would actually be on your email list, and you can put your video content out there. You would use YouTube, and you could also use Facebook, and Instagram's a big one as well. But your YouTube content, when they search for something as far as what you do, and they find your video on the top of the search, they're going to actually come to your capture page and then opt in and find a video like this to where they can learn more information, right? And now this is a template that we have within the builder. So when you get this builder that I use, and I use it for my traffic store, I use it for my courses that I create, and I have a team that actually builds these pages out. These are custom made pages that you see right here. So you can use any of these pages as a template. So you can pick one of these pages right here and use them as a template for your business. And the cool thing about it is it's easy to edit. So you just take one of these pages and you can easily edit whatever you want. So, this is my page right here that you'll see below this video. So they would opt into a page like this, and then they would give you their name, email, and phone number, and you can follow up with them. And then they go into a contact manager. So the contact manager is easily within this builder. You just go to contacts right here, and you could see the contacts right here of everybody that came through your funnel. So this is like your list to be able to follow up with people, and it's really cool because you can actually follow up with the people, and if you want to edit anything on here, all you do is click and you can edit things. They're in a box, and it's very easy to use whenever you're doing your marketing. So this would be the capture page. What I showed you before was the sales video. Then we have, when you get the funnel builder tool, you also have the option to get let's go. And if you're somebody who is into fitness and you want to be able to stay on track, you want to be able to accomplish more throughout your day, this is a really good app for you. So this app is $10 per month, and it gives you $8 per month in residual income. So anybody using this, any one of your clients using this, you would make $8 per month per sign up. And so you could put a daily routine in here. So here's what to be grateful for. Here's your exercise. Here's your daily task that you would have. Here's your notes, so you can put notes. You could put your goals in here. There's so much stuff that you could put right here. You could, meditate, pray, your visualization. Here's your affirmations. Here's your exercise. Here's your reading and your journaling, right? So that's what this app does, right? And then you put your mantras over here and everything like that. So anybody using this app that's one of your clients, they would be able to easily track what they're doing. So if you give them a routine, a meal plan, we have that in here as well. Here's your plans for the days. You could put what you got planned for the day, and then here's the things that you can use to be able to stay on track. And then you have a nutrition tracker right here as well. So this app works for you, and it's really good. So you have this, and then you have the funnel builder tool that you build everything off of, which is this. This is only $25 per month, and you get a $20 per month in residual income, right? So you're making $28 per month from this and this, from people using it. And then the next thing they have to know is they have to know how to get traffic. Um, you have to know how to get traffic. So this is traffic and conversion. So this portion right here is premium. You get 2 weeks free of this. This is premium. This teaches you all about traffic. So when you get the funnel builder tool and the goal setting app, make sure you check the box so you get 2 weeks free of this. This shows you how to get traffic for free. This shows you what you do before traffic, and this shows you page strategies, and this shows you how to get sales and create conversions. And then we also have daily hands-on coaching right here. That's every single day live by Zoom over the shoulder. So your free methods are going to be how to launch your business, how to invite people in 3 simple steps, how to get leads on Facebook, how to follow up with people, how to do short form video, how to do YouTube ranking to get your videos in the search engines, how to create more traffic on YouTube, how to do Facebook ads for free, how to do podcasting, how to do LinkedIn to get leads, how to do Facebook Lives, how to blog for your business, and how to create your own product and do a launch. So that's what this shows you how to do. Then we have page strategies right here. The page strategies are really cool as well. So the page strategies are going to be local lead generation. So if you have a local storefront business or a gym, are going to be solo ad training. So the solo ad for paid traffic means you get leads from one person's list to your list, right? This is text messaging. So we have all these trainings in here. YouTube automation. If you want to do faceless videos, this is in here as well. Facebook ads, Facebook video ads, and then how to get conversions is down here. So we have all this, and you get 2 weeks free of this, and then it pays you $100 per month on top of it. So if you use these tools are going to actually help you to grow your business, and you could also make money. You could also make a residual income from them. So with these 3 things, you're going to earn $128 per month per sign up, right? So it's very, very powerful. So if you want to learn how to build and grow your business online, I'd get the 2 weeks free of the traffic and conversions premium product. So that way you can learn how to get traffic to your website, to your membership site, to your own products, to your giveaways that you have. And for anybody who does all in with me, which means they have all the products, the Financial Literacy Academy as well, you also get access to my team that could build out pages for you, that could help you to do your graphics, that could do everything professional for you. So if you're somebody who works with a lot of business owners, or you sell nutrition products, let's say you have a nutrition company and you want to sell your products, I would highly suggest getting these products. So basically you could start for $35 and you get 2 weeks free of premium. Start there at the bare minimum, but if you want to go all in, you also have access to my team. So I basically have a team, a graphics and web designer that will design everything for you very professionally. So if you go to my page is over here. So I'll go to Facebook and show you what my page looks like. So I'm gonna go to Facebook Live for you. So it's all branded. I'm gonna be changing this up because my graphics guy is actually creating a new banner for me. But I'm gonna take you to here so you can actually see what it actually looks like live. So here's my banner, and then you have your links down here for your business, right? So you go to your Facebook page and you can see, and then you can put your video right here as a pin post, which I would suggest. And these are some of the things you want to do for your Facebook profile, right? And you could do the same kind of thing on Instagram, except you can't put a banner, but you can do the same kind of video content and repurpose it on all social media platforms. That's what I would suggest when you're doing marketing. If you want to learn more about how to do this, make sure you come over here and you come to this page right here. This is going to be under this video. So if you want to learn exactly how I'm doing it, make sure you put your name, email, and phone number in here, and you will get on my email list and you'll be able to book a call with me. We can talk more about how to actually grow your fitness coaching business with marketing, right? So that's really important. So yeah, click on that link below this video, and there's also going to be links in the description that will help you and assist you with your marketing as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. You're going to want to be subscribed so you don't miss any upcoming content. Also, make sure you get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link in the description for that as well, and you can find that below this video. There's also going to be a link to my traffic store. I have an email traffic store, profitbuilderstraffic.com, for anybody who's doing online marketing and who want to get fresh leads to their offers. So you can get to my traffic store by clicking on the link below this video as well, right? And so this page right here is going to be the first link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.